Hey, I'm Jen from Pixel Hut. Did you know that graphic design is the most powerful tool in marketing, utilized to improve brand awareness, generate more leads, and attract new visitors to your website? At Pixel Hut, we offer businesses across Australia unlimited graphic design and a dedicated professional graphic designer on a low-cost, flat monthly rate and no long-term contractual commitments. We're like having a dedicated design team without the price tag. Our unlimited graphic design solutions mean just that, unlimited. Simply submit your design and your dedicated graphic designer will get straight to work, with most design requests being delivered within 24 hours. But wait, there's more. All of our unlimited graphic design solutions come with unlimited revisions on all design requests. Submit 1 or 100 requests at a time. It is unlimited, of course. Guaranteed one-day delivery time, a dedicated graphic designer, a fixed monthly rate that will never increase, no long-term contractual commitment, cancel anytime, handover of all source files, 100% ownership of intellectual property, 24-hour customer support, 14-day money-back guarantee, and much more. As part of our unlimited graphic design, we do not restrict on the type of graphic design work we do. You can request banners, flyers, posters, logos, social media images, or infographics. The list goes on. In fact, almost anything you require is covered with Pixel Hut's unlimited graphic design. Whether you're a startup, small business, creative agency, or national organization, join our unlimited graphic design revolution with a 14-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Visit www.pixelhut.com.au for more information. And remember, Pixel Hut, Design Unlimited.